Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling personalized advertisements on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, click the Windows icon from the taskbar. From there, click the Settings icon to open the Settings app. In Settings, select Privacy and Security from the left menu. In Privacy and Security Settings, select General. In General Settings here, you just want to disable this first option, called Let Apps Show Me Personalized Ads by using my advertising ID. Once you have that switched off, you won't see personalized ads anymore. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.